and go.
Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Jason's Vlogs and Reviews.
Hi!
And today we're reviewing the Captain Crunch milkshake.
From inside an IHOP.
Inside IHOP.
We are an IHOP.
We're also gonna, me and Joey are also gonna try the Lucky Charms pancakes.
Okay,
But
Joey.
that hasn't gotten to the table yet. So.
I'm over here.
It's your daddy's video, Bubba. Okay, hang on, Jason. There's Joey.
Pancakes.
I just paused it. Keep going.
And here's our pancakes that just came.
This omelet looks so good. So good.
So,
Sis doesn't like mushrooms or onions, but there it is. Anyway, sorry, Jason.
so the milkshake tasted like Captain Crunch cereal. It was a little soggy, so I take points off of that. But
I'm pretty sure it is Captain Crunch.
it is pretty good. I give it a. Whoop.
It still looks so yummy. All right, thank you.
I give it a 3.8 out of 5.
All right.
And then the pancakes, just off of appearance, I give it a 4.5.
They did it fast, too. They had our order out really fast. Focus. Thank you. What do you think?
This is delicious.
It's Joey's first time at IHOP.
I rate it pretty good.
The pancakes were good. I give it I'll give it a 3.8 for the pancakes as well. They're definitely fun. So the fun issue adds another couple of points. So in all, an overall score of 4.5. So yeah. So as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to thank you for joining me. Bye.
Have a good day.